Honestly, VBS is just such a fun place for kids to learn about God.
I love to see how they're interacting with each other. They're just showing God's love, and I just love to see the enthusiasm that they're bringing.
This week, we've played many games, done a lot of fun crafts, and learned a lot about Jesus.
My favorite thing about VBS is that I get to spend time with friends and learn about God.
I learned this week that God was the creator of the world.
Jesus took all the sins and he died on the cross for us.
One thing that I've learned about God is that he's always here, he's there, he's everywhere, but most of all, he's here.